Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to not only replace the LCD on iPhone 12 Pro, but also how to get rid of the annoying message in the settings that says this is not an original LCD or an authorized Apple parts. As you saw, the screen has green lights on it, which means this is a damaged LCD, so let's replace it. So hit the screen very good to open the phone, and as this LCD is not working, you can remove it how you want. And don't forget to disconnect the battery. As you can see, the message appears with the new LCD, and to remove it we will remove the old chip which contains the data of the original part and replace it on the new LCD. The best way to remove the chip in this situation is by drilling the old chip. I have a small drill which I will leave a link to it in the comment section so you can buy it. Very important is to shield the LCD from the drilling axis. We bought the chip with a low temperature soldering paste. It has a melting temperature of 138 degrees, which will make it easier to solder the chip on the new LCD. Very important is to remove the flex cable on the new LCD and put a metal shield underneath to prevent the LCD from overheating. And as you can see, there is no important message on the screen and the touch is fully working. So that will be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting repair videos. And if you have any other questions, just leave them in the comment section down below and I will try to answer them. Thanks for watching, see you next time.